We had a training camp in Rustenburg. I think we played Tri Nations. Peter de Villiers took the team, and Rossi, he left Rossi behind also. So I said to the guys, okay, today we're going to train. The backs, you're going to do more stops, and the forwards, you're going to do backs moves. You're going to stop the backs moves. So we as backs thought, listen, we're going to have a joke against them. So we threw John de Villiers up the first one. He took the ball in front of Bakkies. Oh, yeah. That was the most wrong thing, worst thing we could have done.
Sure.
He just looked, they said, okay. He said, Bakkies, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, the next one, Frans Steyn just popped out screaming and crying almost. I don't know what Bakkies did to him, but that was the last. We said, okay, boys, no, don't go up. We can just let them get their ball.
Let them take the ball.
Let them take their ball.
Sure.
What happened when they get to the moves?
Oh, no, that was us on the inside, but they left us at scrum off, so we knew the inside's going to be on the whole time.
And the problem, as a forward, the problem is that these are the backs. The most of stay here. But now we need to defend them. There's nothing you can do because there's space.